is my 2018 GSX250R. I got a selfie stick. But yo, so we're going into 2020 and I want to know what are some ideas of what I should do to the bike. I want to keep it. I like it. It's, you know, it's cool, but I also want to mod it. So what mods do you think I should do on the bike? Let's see. I know we got this thing here. This is the exhaust. I really don't like that. Let me see. Let's see if we can get a quick exhaust clip of how this thing sounds. Let me see here. I don't think I ever did one, but we will today. Let's see if we can get this in here of how this exhaust sounds. All right. All right, so this is the bike. This is the exhaust. I don't even know if you can hear it. I'll give you a little bit of revving action here. I think I need a new exhaust. So that's the exhaust there. We definitely want to do another one of those. I love the white color. I don't know if I want to take some of the graphics off, maybe paint the wheels on it. I don't know, maybe we'll see what we can do. But let me know your comments. I do got some ideas for modding it. I'm trying to see if there's some things available for it, maybe like an ECU flash. Like I said, again, on top of that, the exhaust. Definitely want to change the grips out, change the levers out, because I think just those are too big. I seen that there's a new headlight for it that I'm thinking about doing, which I think would be pretty cool. We can do that. Maybe upgrade the brakes a little bit and see what we can do with this this little thing. I think it'd be pretty interesting to see having a budget build on a bike like this. This bike is mainly for a lot of people that probably are new to motorcycle riding, that maybe can't afford larger bikes or what have you. And although I can get a larger bike, I really like this one, and I would just like to see what it is that I can do with a small, you know, just with a small budget, just to make it either, you know, a little bit more cooler, maybe a little bit more quicker off the line or something like that. So definitely let me know what you think. What mod should I do for this? The 2018 GSX 250R. Comment below.